and heartiest welcome to my channel, Poor Man's Blog. Okay, this is my first video, so small introduction. First of all, my name is Songsar Kramsa, and I'm from West Karbi Anglong, Assam. Okay, today I'm going to show you all one of the most amazing and beautiful waterfalls of our district, and that is none other than LIHONJAR waterfall. Okay, which is close to my hometown. I think from my hometown, around 5 kilometers, and from my home, from my village, I think it would be some 9 to 10 kilometers. I don't know exactly. Okay. So let me be very honest and let me tell you about the video that you guys are going to see later. Actually, that was my first visit. It's been 21 years. I know there is a waterfall, but I haven't visited that place. Okay, so that was my first visit and also my first video you guys are going to witness in this channel. So there will be lots of mistakes, I know. Even to tell you the truth, to be very honest, the videos that you guys are going to see about the waterfall was being recorded with my friend's camera phone, because that trip was unplanned. Okay, but we all know unplanned trips are always the best. My two friends, they rang me up and they came to my home, they picked me up, so I joined them. And then during that day my phone was dead. Okay, in the village there is so much of power cut, so my phone was dead and I could not record the video with my camera phone. So this recording, this intro is being recorded with my camera phone Samsung A30, but then the videos that you guys are going to see about the waterfall, that was recorded with my friend's camera phone. And the worst part is that the videos was sent through WhatsApp, and you can imagine how the quality it would be. And then I have recorded some videos vertically, and then for better performance it should be in the, I think, some, according to experts, it should be 16:9, I suppose. Okay, landscape wise. But then some videos I recorded horizontally and was recorded back in the month of June 22nd. This is July, I guess. So it took me too many days to show you all this beautiful, amazing waterfall. Okay, the name of the channel speaks everything. Poor Man's Blog, right? So I got no tripod, I got no mic. I hope you guys heard me enough. Still then, I hope to give you better videos, better quality videos in the days to come, with all the love and support. And one more thing, to all the new YouTubers, those who have opened their YouTube channel during this lockdown, just you guys like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I promise I'll like and subscribe back your channel. Okay, to all the new YouTubers, I repeat it again, to all the new subscribers, please like, subscribe and comment so that I can subscribe back your channel and we can grow together. Okay, until then, take care, bye bye, and enjoy the video. Okay, it is so time. Well everyone, I have reached this beautiful place and now I'm pretty excited to show you all this beautiful amazing place. Look, that's the waterfall. And now I'm going to take one. Woo! Hey! See the waterfall. Well, to be honest, you won't believe me, but still, you need to know this is my first visit, my first ever visit to this beautiful, amazing place. Okay, I'm so excited to go inside, but now, well, until then, thank you so much for watching, for being with me throughout the journey to this year. Well, right now I'm still there, but bye-bye, until then, take care. Well, I have had my bath, I had visited this place, and all thanks to these two people. I'm very thankful to them because this is my first visit. Seriously, I'm speaking again and again. Yeah, and now we are heading to the beautiful view from Tika. Okay, so we are going there and I will show you the beautiful view from there once we reach. And now we are heading back over there. Okay, so see, taking bath from such an amazing place is so blessed. I cannot even speak. I'm looking so handsome. I cannot even think. Just come visit this beautiful place, get some beautiful fresh air, get bath and go, and you will see the result. You will look very handsome, you will look very clear, very attractive, very fresh. Oh my God, I cannot believe. Alright, that was a fun part. Well, thank you so much for accompanying me. Thank you for being with me. Bye-bye.